Me I tell the people them all who are beat Shenyang and the Jagan and all of them something there and the Jagan. All think me a blood clot. Tell me say Queen you go run the fridge. And when Queenie run on the fridge, I don't know nothing blood clot normal. So all the Jagan and everybody are going on one blood clot thing. Me I tell you something. And me I tell you today. And me I tell you again. I say, Queenie, I go run around the fridge. So you could have sing song and a beat. Queenie go run the fridge. Something disturbed me. I mean I like it. And me I defend it. Me hear Shenseea say, pan her post. And me go come back live. I mean, I look at iPad for you, okay? You know, but me, you're shaking, say, and it disturbed my stomach. When you turn more, I'm a charger. Let me bring you this. Shaking say something disturbed my stomach. I want to address him sitting here with face, you know, but right now, I'm not ready for that yet. Shaking says, take out that bag for me. Shaking says something disturbed my stomach. Let me get my charger. She said, washing her hands on the body. Them have to work to put on level. You going too hype, you hurt up my head, little girl. You hurt up my head. What do you mean by the pan level? Girl, you know the pan level. The queen, as much as the queen, not she still hotter than you, she the farther than you, she last you. TV know her, people know her. The song, they might not 100, but she the way better than you. What do you mean by the queen of the pan level? You fuck your chat this, so I don't agree this, but you make it look like, say, queen look hype off who? Queen look hype off a blood clad who? No, you come out there, come talk about, them get upset. Them sick of me, only God can get rid of me. So if the blood clot queen didn't say them time there. You never the pan level. Hey girl. You have no way you say no. Me not like that energy there. You disturb me. Remember me the be a man. Me a hypocrite. You disturb me. I can take your prosperity. But no way you say. No way you say. No. Let me tell you the truth. I just in a 2021, Shenseea people start know Shenseea internationally. Since RT come out to gate pull. Shenseea need to know say them what as Ocean and Rami she da work no blood clot, but they never look on her. Nobody never da look on her. Everything what she do stish, tash, tush, tash and blood clot, stash. And since me come out in a 21 and come start the bag of blood clotting, every first thing start go up, viewers and rare. Since RT come with the scandal, everything change. And Shenseea start go up. So me know when she go make it look like, say, nobody a look off a hype off her. Me not like that talk there. It's a hypocrite talk that she make. Until today, the spice they above all of the blood clot, lot of them. No matter if she not have no good song, she not have no good album, she not have no good career, she still be at the better spot than the whole blood clot lot of them. So don't disturb my blood clot spirit when you go turn and say people for work with them there. You disturb me, girl. You hurt me head. Of course, my blood clot work and the girl work for where she there. You face it. No, you have to be careful when you cause Queenie, you know. Cause Queenie and tell her about her pussy like when me do and tell her how much man she take and tell her how much jagan and how much man she fuck and how much jacket and all that or something. But when the blood clot come to the career, no come go on like the career and nothing. Because the career make the whole blood clot like how you look something. Hey, watch how you talk out there. Because we lick up on the blood clot. No joke no in there. You watch how you say out there. Because I will lick out on the blood clot. No, I say. No, say, and this life is no joke. This life is no joke. This is no chat talk. This is no hype talk. No, say. Because Queenie work where she free work for as much as my class her dirty blood clot. She just only have attitude problem and behavior problem. But the girl work where she do. If I fuck her, she do, she work for it. If I fuck her, she do sing, she work for it. And if I fuck, she fuck for it, she work for it. Remember that independent fuck bring away Gracie where she did. It's not fuck and hold her and man and mine her. It's fuck everyone then and get somewhere. Well it independent then. It work for she then. I feel her life then. Nobody not control for her head. Let me explain something too. No? You see what I not understand? Shenseea not put no career war. Don't come in on no career war. Don't come in on a career war in the sense of, yes, things that work for you. Everybody see your glory. Everybody see things that work. No doubt. Nobody not deny it. Everybody see that. But now is not the time for you to come compare your blessing with spice. You know, reach the year, so calm down. And one of the things too, with me upset with you now, Shenseea, because I'm already not address you yet. One of the things me see I do, I'm like your spirit, I'm not really say nothing much, because I don't want people say me a hypocrite, me a bash you. But one little thing me see you I do, when me I do too. One thing me see I do when me I do too. Me not gonna say you and me not do it because me a hypocrite, me tell the truth. One thing me see I do when me I do too. But it bother me because you hype with it too. One of the major things when me see you do is you ex-half Jamaican people and go Caribbean. So you carry belly for Jamaican. Me know the Jamaican people, them are hypocrite and them love mix up in the sense that them not like to push we as we own Jamaican. But there is a deeper vengeance. You are care to separate yourself from Jamaican because you are trying to shout out for Caribbean. We all know you want to do your thing. But me not say, me cuss out Jamaican blood clad same way and still big them up. But me not think if you cut them off. Me no think if you try to go Caribbean and play hype. Because remember same way too, you know, and we still have to hype you to make the Caribbean see you. Because if we not say nothing about you, Caribbean now look for you. So me don't know who a strategy you and I advise you. Because as much as the Jamaican people, them, me not have a problem with them blood clot, I'm curse them. But me can't to get rid of them. Because them have to recognize me. If people recognize me too. So the fuck you try go around them. When you go, put your back in it, put your back in it. Me know what you try do. Yeah, what my Caribbean energy. Yeah, what my door. But the end of the day is, everything when you in Jamaica, you cut out. Talk about that. Talk about the belly where you carry for Jamaican people. And talk about the belly where you carry for the Queen. But now come talk about the career. That not nothing to do with you. Because none of them can touch her. Dead or alive in terms of Artina, they want to on Queenie level. So don't you ever compare yourself in the sense. Remember, you know, I want to understand what I say. I am not saying she's not qualified for the Queen and me say she a Queen. It's not me I say. Here the part where me I come. Is when she make a statement and say she not answer nobody, them have to work through where them there. Because she not make nobody get no fame of her. Girl, you trick yourself. Any dopey where you fuck or any Indian goes to fuck you or anything, you trick yourself. Not because you're part with Kanye West say you're on a level. Everybody see that. But you can't deny the fact that Spice is who she is and she there where she there. And you can't deny the fact that Spice is on a level where she big. She more international do. Yes, you have come there. But where you go try for denounce say she not there no way. Where you try for say. Whether she don't have a song, whether she don't have this, she still have more acknowledgement and more than you. Look how much people Spice can pull crowd in a Jamaica. Can you? Spice can pull crowd in a New York City by herself. Can you? You can't even pull Yankee for yourself. You can't even pull the Caribbean for yourself. Can you? So how you say the woman no, then when you can't pull a stage show and you can't perform good and you can't even deal with audience. The only somebody you need to perform for white people because they only want to jump to anything what you say. The real culture and the authentic Jamaican, them love the rawness and the dirty excitement. Me just talk my truth. So if you cause Spice and Spice atmosphere and our man and life, talk about that. But don't try to make it look like the woman never make you to blood clot want to be queen. Lady Sarah run left it. And Lady Sarah no left nothing for no bridge offer. Nothing for you to bridge offer. When you bridge offer now, is either you bridge offer Spice or you try bridge offer your own way. And you are bridge offer your own way, Shenseea, and the Jamaican people now gravitate to it. That's why you know blood clot like them. Because them know the Spice way. So you are go the Caribbean way. Not bashing you. Because I have nothing against you. I not beg you nothing. I have my own money. No manager now manage me. Me manage myself. Me own my own door key. And me can hold conversation. Because my money they up to my neck. No manager no sign up on my money. Me sign my own check. A company me own and condos and apartments. And them Mina Smith and Nardo and Monica Tatum and the rest of the family them. You feel me? No boy no sign no paper off of me. Me tell boy if he sign because me a CEO in a company. So therefore me can address and talk because me have me money. So, when me I say bestie, me a hypocrite. So you a hypocrite man I say. Me like wish I go on for Shenseea. I don't have any problem. But the only problem I have, too much hype go on, it has stressed me. Too much blood, and I'm sure it's the blood clot bag of them hypocrite because I notice no black of them start switch. It like the black of them want to see light. So when I start say, okay, me turn light into the day. So, blagger, all if you switch and say, yang na look pound, yang that Caribbean country, yang outgrow, yang Ariana, that's a fair head there. Bring no one up, so food and energy no make sense. Balance the thing and be fair. Balance the thing and be fair. Now disqualify the dragon and our thing. Fair thing that I feed them world. Me no business with them and then career life. Them, the whole of them are champion. The whole of them have them gift. The whole of them can DJ, yeah. But all I have to say is, me know say there's a time when she go and beat Queenie, yes. And you get the opportunity to beat Queenie, yes. But remember say the whole man there around there. So you need to tell her because she maybe don't know what I want. Because she might think that it's a joke thing. I mean, I want me like to see her on the donkey. And she better mind she blood clot drop off by. So me want when Shenseea and her people in my drop wood, who say, "Hi, Jaggy, and the Dally. Remember what man around there? Because I want to take this thing for blood clot because I will come out here and call them and say 7 or 3 days. No one do. Me not joke. This is a spiritual warning me I give today. No joking. Beat but beat with a limit. Beat no one I do. Beat and watch disrespect because I will show you know. Don't play with me. No one I do. Bumba clot do not upset me like I'm married to. Yes. I truth me attack, no joke. A real talk me attack. Because some little thing there when me sip on the energy. That's, me I live my life and me what. But it kind of, when me say stress me on the energy, I'm saying, how would them people there? Eh? I'm talking truth. Take a look at blessing, man. You want blood clot start hype already. And one I think more I want to know, you know, me not discredit her or I try to flap her thing, you know. I will never do that and I'm not in no position to do that. That is not what I'm about. It's just that she just have a need. Know what she has said. I know how she come about. Anybody, only me alone for disrespect Gracie. And me alone she not answer. And let me say something now. Let me say something Gracie not answer. You know when she say she not answer nobody? Because everybody know you can't answer. Everybody know you can't answer. Everybody know you can't answer, you not answer. Will never answer, not answer. Because everybody know you're dead before you answer. That is something where Jamaica know. And therefore, you now come in at that. That is something where Jamaica know before them even know. Even before you even think about to enter it. Even before you think about to answer. Even before you think about to write a song or think about to answer or think about to say nothing regarding that queen who or where you want to call her. We know you're dead before you even think about it. So nobody never that question say your career dead in a lyrical clash. So we did know that even before that. So even when you did come out and say, them get upset, them sick of me, the people them that pray for you. God know. Yes, the people them did sorry for you, ask Jamaica. Come out one day and ask your fans and say, fans, let me ask you something. When we did come out this time and say, them get upset, them sick of me, that's the truth. Who did sorry for me? And you were here in Jamaica say, yes girl, we did sorry for you. Because we know say,